I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on Zoho Books. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are maybe just getting started with Zoho Books, but want to create their invoice so that they can send it to their first customer. So be sure to stick around, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved within this video, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, when you first log onto your Zoho Books account, this is what it's going to look like here. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on Sales, and then click on Invoices. So from this page, you can click on New Invoice or click on New Recurring Invoice. We're going to go ahead and click on New Invoice. And then so from here, you just need to follow the questions, basically. So here, I'm just clicking on Save and Continue. And so you can add your first customer name. So here, you can either input a new customer or input an existing customer. And then based on the customer that you add, it's going to autofill all the other information. For item details, you can input a new item or a previous item that you've created before. So we can input landscaping. You can input the shipping charges, the discount, other customer notes, terms and condition. And then also what you can do is set up these terms and due dates. But once you actually have that set and ready, you can click on Save as a Draft, or you can click on Save and Send. So either way, guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create an invoice on Zoho Books. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.